plus 30 important traffic signs.
Two-way traffic.
Two-way traffic.
No overtaking.
No overtaking.
Landslide ahead.
Landslide ahead.
No parking.
No parking.
No stopping.
No stopping.
No U-turn.
No U-turn.
No pedestrians.
No pedestrians.
Proceed straight or turn right.
Proceed straight or turn right.
Mini roundabout.
Mini roundabout.
Turn right ahead.
Turn right ahead.
Uneven road.
Uneven road.
Oncoming cars. Have right of way.
Oncoming cars. Have right of way.
No entry.
No entry.
Slippery road.
Slippery road.
Dangerous bend ahead.
Dangerous bend ahead.
No right turn.
No right turn.
Give way.
Give way.
No cycling.
No cycling.
Road narrows on right.
Road narrows on right.
Danger place.
Danger place.
Horns prohibited.
Horns prohibited.
Narrow road.
Narrow road.
Riverbank.
Riverbank.
Hump.
Hump.
Steep ascent.
Steep ascent.
Roundabout.
Roundabout.
Speed limit.
Speed limit.
Wild animals.
Wild animals.
Digging man.
Digging man.
Zigzag road.
Zigzag road.
Airport sign.
Airport sign.
T junction.
T-junction.
Stop.
Stop.